Good morning from the Second Age of Reason. Soon we're going to have another release of the Harry Potter series of movies, and I was just reading something in a magazine called The Atlantic, and it was kind of interesting. They had an article in there about in the Central African Republic that their courts are getting pretty full of certain kinds of cases, specifically cases of people doing witchcraft and hexing and things like that. And apparently their courts have like 40% of their load from this sort of thing. I don't know if they consider it a crime or a misdemeanor or what it is there, but the punishments could be, up to years in jail. And I'm just wondering how they actually prove it. Somebody's roof collapses on them, or somebody gets a bad infection, and they're going to suddenly blame somebody that they were hexed by some magic. And so, in Western societies, they say there is no such thing as magic. So one would wonder why the Enlightenment has never really gotten over there. However, people that are over there in the court system are knowledgeable about things like this, and they said it's important to keep these laws in the books. And say, well, why? And it seems like there's a couple of reasons. One is that it gives the magistrates and the legal system something to do and gives them power that they, will then have high esteem in their society. Number two is, if the populace widely believes this sort of thing, if there wouldn't be a legal recourse, if there wouldn't be a rule of law, then the people would be probably taking the law into their own hands, and that could get ugly as well. So just kind of wondering if we have any such superstitions in our society that people believe without reason, that people need to have the rule of law in order to maintain order in society. Please rate and comment below what you think about that. Also, just because there's a law and then there is no law doesn't mean that the culpability in terms of absolute morality is ever gone. So I know there's certain crises in the economy, and some would say, well, it's because of things that are not morally ethical or defensible, things that used to be against the law but now are not. Do you think maybe we should have laws back so that the people do not take the law into their own hands in that case as well? Well, put some comments below and see what you think about that. So, that's all for now. Be seeing you.